Bendar Al-Khorif, Saudi Minister of Industry and Mineral Resources, said on Wednesday that China is expected to play an important role in helping boost global economic growth.
I see it positive. There is great opportunities that Saudi Arabia can offer to China, but also we see great value that China can bring to our execution of our strategy. So I will just give an example. We believe that China have done great when it comes to automation, and that's an area where we are betting on in Saudi Arabia. So we believe automation is a key for us to leapfrog in our targets of our industrial strategy, and we see that angle very important. China has been always, very impressive in dealing with challenges. So I'm quite optimistic on the outcome.